Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find languages and input. Now we can tap on languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Polish right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the one you like to use in this list and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, the Turkish, just tap on it. And as you can see, it has been immediately added to our list and it is on the very first position. So if you've got the language on this position, then your device will use the chosen language. Okay, so I'm not sure what just happened. Okay, actually nothing. So as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. And of course, if you've got a lot of languages added on this list, you don't have to find them in this add a language option, but you can move the language to the very first position in order to set it as a main one. So let me do it, for example, with English. All you have to do is simply tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the whole system, the whole menu from now on will be in the chosen language. So if you'd like to remove the language from this list, because for some reason you don't need to have 3 languages here, so all you have to do is just tap on this 3 dots icon and tap on remove. Now let's tap on those which you'd like to remove and click on the trash bin icon. Now let's tap on OK. And as you can see, they immediately disappear, so it means that from now on your device will focus only on the English. So actually, that's all. This is how to change system language in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.